This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
Consumers who have shopped for a new car in recent years are probably aware that an increasing number of today's vehicles can be equipped with highly advanced crash avoidance and safety system technologies. Also, that more exotic materials are being used than ever before, all in an effort to improve passenger safety. What might be less obvious is how today's vehicles are engineered and built as an integrated assembly of parts working together as a single system to provide predictable performance, safety, and durability in the event of a crash. These vehicles are put through numerous internal automaker and federal government tests to help ensure all these individual parts function as a system when you need them in the real world. OEM collision parts are designed and produced to the same specifications and tolerances as the parts on the vehicle when it was made, and, according to CrashRepairInfo.com, they're the only parts proven during vehicle development to offer the intended level of protection as a vehicle system. When they're installed using factory-recommended materials and procedures, they deliver the same structural performance characteristics as the original parts. According to CrashRepairInfo.com, new aftermarket collision parts may not be made of the same material or to the same tolerances and specifications as OE parts, and are not tested with the rest of the system during vehicle development. Thus, new aftermarket collision parts may not be of the same quality as OE parts, and integrating them into the system could change the crash performance engineered into the vehicle. Make sure your customer knows what type of parts are going to be used to fix their car or truck. If they're ever in another crash, the performance of their vehicle may depend on it. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.